Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through some of the major talking points and features of the interior and exterior, and of course, being that this is a G20 330E plug-in hybrid, I will of course go over some of the major talking points and vast improvements BMW have made on their plug-in hybrid ranges. However, starting with the overall condition and exterior of the car, it is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we've added the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. You will of course also see the vehicle is a 2019 69 reg. Up front, I've currently got the vehicle just on its side lights. There you will see the BMW's new LED headlamps. The fog lights on the new 3 Series on the M Sport models are also LED as well. In terms of the alloy wheels for this vehicle, it does also have the optional extra 19-inch alloy wheels once again. We've had these wheels fully powder coated in gloss black, which looks fantastic set against that mineral grey. Down the side you will notice we've added the gloss black side aero blades, and we've got the sun protection glazing pack on this wonderful plug-in hybrid 3 Series. Now of course, the little flap on the side is where you will access of course to plug in the car, but we'll get onto that very shortly. This vehicle is also equipped with some very nice optional extras. One of the big ones being I have the key in my hand. I can simply walk up to the vehicle thanks to the comfort pack and it will unlock for me, very nice and easy. In the interior we've got the black Venezia leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, as you can see there. And of course, one of the standout features for the new BMW range is the ambient lighting settings, which again are all interchangeable to suit your colour wants and needs. So moving on to a bit of the facts and figures of the new plug-in hybrid range BMW. So they've got a newer and bigger, more improved electric motor within the 8-speed gearbox. Of course, that giving you more power. So combined, this vehicle has a staggering 290 brake horsepower. And of course, we've got the more batteries now, which are now all situated underneath the rear seats, which are mounted lower down for a better centre of gravity. An ISOFIX rear bench there, centre folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining. Moving around towards the rear, where we've got a power operated tailgate, once again thanks to that comfort access. In terms of your luggage capacity, again, being that we have got more batteries on board, however BMW mounting them lower down as I just mentioned, it still doesn't increment all that much on your luggage capacity. And with all of the other new 3 Series range, we get split folding seats as standard, and we can lower this load bay down into make a more ease of access. You will see there on the left hand side, this is the genuine BMW charging kit that will come with the vehicle. That is for 3-pin sockets, so it can be charged on any normal 3-pin household plug. So run into an extension lead, or even if you are lucky enough to be able to garage the vehicle, you can run it straight from there. From stone dead flat, BMW claim a charge time of around about 3 to 4 hours. And on that charge, you are estimated to get a range on pure electric of anywhere up to 37 miles, based on certain road conditions, travel conditions, and of course driving style and conditions. So as you can see, this is an exquisitely presented vehicle inside and out, and we'll get on to a few more of the options on board this specific G20 330E that we have for you. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside. We are of course greeted with that lovely BMW Live cockpit, and we'll run through just a few of the features of that very shortly. As you can see, this vehicle's covered just over 8,575 miles, so again a nice low mileage example, not even had to have its first service yet. We'll start the car up, which again of course that's now started, and of course that may take a little bit of getting used to. However, currently the vehicle is just in its hybrid mode, so the computer will deem when it is time for it to switch over towards that 2-litre petrol engine, which again is an absolute gem of a petrol engine. We've got the live cockpit map view up there, and of course you get a nice view of the digital speedo, your RPM gauge, and of course your power to consumption gauge, which will also tell you how much charge you have to the batteries. And of course on the left hand side we've also got our normal fuel gauge. Going over to the professional wide navigation and media screen. This is again all now touchscreen. If you've not yet seen any of our other G20 videos, or not yet had a chance to look at any of the G20 range, as you can see, I can swipe effortlessly between different customizable widgets, and again you can add different customizable news feeds and weather feeds. and this is a really user-friendly tool, and of course a very useful one for when you are out and about travelling using the vehicle every day. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreens, there is a traditional iDrive scroll wheel down here in the centre console, just next to where you are given the choice of 3 set driving modes, along with of course the mode which I like most in this car, which is the mode for XrtaBoost. Clicking the XrtaBoost sends all of the power from the bigger electric motor and of course the combined battery power towards that 2-litre petrol engine to give you the maximum horsepower and the same 0 to 60 time as the 330i petrol equivalent, which is an amazing feat considering of course we've got all that little bit of extra weight on board. Very large touchscreen again, sat nav, sorry, and using the touchscreen makes it even easier to use. In terms of the vehicle itself, as I've mentioned, it's not had to have its service yet. That is thanks to it's not due one for 11,000 miles. However, it has had a pre-delivery inspection service at BMW. In terms of your multimedia, it's got DAB, Bluetooth audio, Spotify, and of course it even includes on this specific 330E, we have got the function for Apple CarPlay and screen mirroring. And of course I will quickly show you the rear facing reversing camera, which also has reversing assist and park assist. So I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. Of course, if you do want any further information, please do check out the link in the description, which will take you to our website along with contact information to get in touch with us directly here at your next car. Hopefully you found this an aid to a more informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all though, we hope to see yourself soon. Thank you, do of course take care, see you soon, goodbye.